Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. Just a minute, please. Yeah. So, what's the story for today? What's the story? Okay, one of the. It's like, I would say one of the students. One of my students asked me to help him do P traps. Not P traps, sink. Drainage for sink. I tell you what's the story. 1 minute, okay? See, let's suppose we have. It's a good question, actually. Good one. Where is this? Yeah, okay. Come on. Anyway, we'll start a new project and then I will show you what does it mean. Plumbing. I don't know why the pen is not working. Weird. Anyway, I'll draw it in the white pen. Okay, what we'll do is first we'll link a file. Yeah, it's just normal file, nothing special. Okay. Okay, what I'll show you is how do we do. We have three sinks here. Okay, three sinks, three lavatory, whatever. How do we do connection for it? And yeah, come on. Probably the recording is not allowing me to do that. Anyway, okay. We have solution for every problem. What I'll do is, okay, so we have the sink. Okay, three sinks is there. One, two, three. What I'm planning is we will plan something like this. Okay, like this. This will go straight. Another one, and this way, or triple wide this way. How you want, you can decide. This will go straight. I think we look for this one, and then and then in the side view. Okay, this is the wall. Pipe will go like this. Heat trap. Sorry, pipe will go down. Inlet, heat trap, down, and whatever. Okay, so this will be our plan to do it. We have three sinks, so everything looks good. Just 1 minute. Okay? Anyway, so back to the story. Sorry, I was doing some work here. Yeah. So what was the story is we will draw two pipes. Sorry, we will do this first. We'll insert the lavatory. Lab, not there. Good. Sink. Good. Sink. Single island. Public. Create instance. Beautiful. Oh, come on. I like this. That's the beauty of the family. Okay. Anyway, we will load it. Lavatory, wall mounted, rectangular. wall mounted better. Okay. Come on. Okay, remember this in Revit. Whenever you draw, especially plumbing, okay, it's always good to have two section views. Okay, always good to have two section views. One this way, one that way. Okay, this will make life very easy for you. Okay, so let's go to view. This is that view. Yeah, and what we can also do is we will go to this view. That was which was open. I click go to view. So we have three views, which is good. Okay, which is good here also, and this is also good. Okay, so we can see all of them. Okay, what we will do is we will draw. This is this one. So yes, this is this one. So drainage. Draw a pipe. Make sure it is DWV 32 millimeters slope down. It's straight going down is straight, so the slope does not make story. The story comes when we do this. So let's say slope, let's say 1%. Okay, so that is done. How about we copying these? Okay, now one question comes here. I'm just going to do something duplicate true. Okay, so what I'll do is, can you see it? Yes. This also I will 1 minute. I will just do one. This is the plan. Let we have plan. We will go this way. Okay. So that is this pipe. I will make him 3D view. Yeah. So this is clear. DWV. Keep it at 45 degree. Okay. If you don't want, we can make it like this to reduce the. I don't know why you will do this, but you know. So I think better we just. Okay, that's fine. This is good. Similarly, we can copy this guy here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the just created. Okay, he's not happy with it. Copy. Not happy. Can't help it. Okay, what I'll do is I will undo it then. We will not make headache for anyone. Draw a pipe. You need to be in this way. Okay. So what I'll do is I will move this section box here. Okay. You get the trick here. It became P trap. Copy. Sometimes this can happen. You know, you're trying to do. What I'll do is I'll make reference plane just to get a reference. So this is perfect now. Okay, now the pipe. Is it that you cannot see or I can't see? Okay, good. Okay, so here from this one we will go down. So right click, draw a pipe. We'll go, let's say 0. Just see what happens here. Okay, have a look here. The pipe goes straight down. I think it's not what we want because we are using another. You see, we didn't want this one. Okay, for this case, what I will do is I will delete this, make this DW1, and I will also make this guy DW1. Okay, I'll say trim, and we get the elbow. Okay, so we should be happy now or happier. Okay, so the center one is correct. We need to know the sideways, the side ones. Okay, okay. For that, right click, create similar, slope up, 135. He was not happy with this. Okay, 1 minute. Create similar, slope up. Okay, because the pipe is not created at that level. Okay, which is rare actually because we have section view here. Okay, create similar. Okay. The problem was that reference line. Okay, if I make it as a plus sign, now he doesn't have the connector. Okay, don't worry. We will load a double one. Draw a pipe. I doubt we have space. If he gives, good, excellent. Now what we need to do is we need to align the bottom one. Draw a pipe, slope down. Sorry. Okay. We need to be careful now. Just 1 minute. Okay. Listen. This pipe I will make to DW1. Slope down. I hope you get the picture what I did. Okay. We can create one more like this. That's fine. We can create because sometimes we don't get the double one. What I will do is I will create one more. Create similar. You see there is no space. Okay, what I can do is maybe I can make this guy more up so I can have one more space for him. Oops. Okay. Create similar. Good. Same story. Slope up. Okay. Hope you understood how I did it. that is the story for today. Okay. If you want, we can create a ventilation pipe. Okay, common vent. Yeah, we can create common vent or access pipe to access it. Okay, generally you will not be doing like this 3 on 1 pipe, so you create separate. I show you how to do it. Okay, so hope everybody, if it's not clear, we can make it clear. Let's make it solid, then this is better. Okay. So anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this class. We can cap open ends. Okay, hope everybody enjoyed this short class. Take care, and we'll see each other in the next class. Bye.